Hey shoppers, today I have a wireless keyboard. It does take AAA batteries. It comes with the chip and the mouse. You need to put batteries in the mouse. And once you do, you click on. And then as soon as you put this into your computer, all right, we got our batteries in our mouse. You can see the light is on. It's on, switched on. So now it works. I literally just plugged it in, put the batteries in, and now we are connected. We got our AAA batteries in our keyboard. The mouse requires AA batteries. Want to point out a few things. It has the pegs here, the anti-slip pegs. There's 5 of them on the back of this keyboard. It has a slot to put a notebook, iPhone, iPad, so when you are using your keyboard, if you need to take notes on something, here's a slot to hold your iPad upright or your cell phone upright. It's a full keyboard with a number pad and a calculator. It does come with an instruction manual. As soon as you put the battery in, it does power on. So right here, we're using our mouse to go into Google, and you can type into the search bar, hit enter, and you are connected. There is no extra steps.